Hi, today we are going to review 1 of 10. 1 of 10 is a specialized platform designed to assist content creators, particularly those on YouTube, in generating ideas for videos, titles, and thumbnails. It offers a variety of features aimed at enhancing the creative process and increasing viewer engagement through data-driven insights. Now, let's discuss some of its key features. Advanced filters. Utilize advanced filters to precisely target your research, allowing you to find video ideas, titles, and thumbnails quickly. This feature significantly reduces research time and enhances content relevance. Competitor Tracker. Monitor outlier across all YouTube channels to identify high-performing videos. This tool helps you understand trends and strategies used by competitors, enabling you to refine your content approach effectively. Vision Board. Save your favorite thumbnail pics on a personal vision board for later inspiration. This feature allows creators to create visual ideas that resonate, streamlining the creative process for future projects. Endless inspiration. Access a vast collection of over 1 million outliers for endless creative inspiration. This extensive database provides diverse ideas, helping creators remix and innovate their video concepts efficiently. Quick idea generation. Find your next video idea in seconds by remixing any outlier on the platform. This functionality accelerates the brainstorming process, ensuring that creators can quickly generate engaging content ideas. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Cost concerns. The monthly subscription fee may be a barrier for some users, particularly those just starting on YouTube. Creators need to generate sufficient revenue to justify this expense, making it a potential drawback. Limited access. Users may experience limitations in accessing certain features or data, particularly if they are in niche markets. This can hinder the effectiveness of the tool for creators targeting specific audiences or topics. Dependence on data. Relying heavily on data-driven insights can stifle creativity. Creators might focus too much on trends and analytics, potentially leading to repetitive content rather than innovative and original ideas. In conclusion, 1 of 10 offers valuable tools for YouTube creators to enhance their content strategy through data-driven insights and inspiration. However, potential drawbacks like cost, access limitations, and over-reliance on data may impact its effectiveness for some users. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.